Ojwang. Kawadhi nyime bende koro wayudo kanyo ni Ogai mar obila Douglas Kanja oyango ne jalupne Lagat eba bende no ochwalo ng'ur manoweyo ka imako Ojwang mabende no maki ka itudo kod ketho mar negoyo chapa weche mag miriambo e mbui. Kanja mabende no ten kod jolupne ariyo Gilbert Masengeli kod Lagat ne olero ni gibiro timo nonro makare bende oyango mago mabende no timore e kinde mabende no mako Ojwang nyaka seche mane gichopo e tesend obila ma Central e boma ma Nairobi.
Albert Omodo Ojwang was arrested in Homa Bay County by DCI detectives for the offense of false publication. Records indicate that he was transported to Nairobi, where he was questioned by officers from the DCI headquarters on Saturday. He was later booked at the Central Police Station at Okan's book number 136/7/6/2025 at 21:35 hours. During a routine cell inspection, Ojwang was found unconscious. He was immediately rushed to Bagathi Hospital for treatment, as documented at Okan's book number 9/08/06 of 2025 at 01:39 hours. Upon arrival, he was declared dead.
Kanja wacho ni duol mar IPOA osekawo ting' mar timo nonro e wi wachno kendo obila ma bende biro yud kod ketho ibiro kaw ni okang' mager mar chik.
Given the circumstances surrounding the incident, it was necessary to investigate the death in accordance with regulations governing death in police custody, and in line with the statutory requirements. The Independent Policing Oversight Authority, IPOA, was duly notified to commence investigations. Additionally, to ensure a thorough, impartial, and expeditious investigations by the Independent Policing Oversight Authority, I ordered the interdiction of the following officers with immediate effects. Number one is the officer commanding the station, that is the Central Police Station OCS, the duty officer who was on duty during the night in question, the cell sentry on duty at the time, all officers who were on duty at the report office that night, and any other officer found to have been on duty or otherwise involved during the incident.
Wach mabende no sir kod jakom madul mar IPOA Isaac Hassan mabende wacho ni apisa mag dulno dhi nyime kod timo nonro.
Just to confirm that we have received the information about the death from the IG and we have commenced our investigations in accordance with the law, and we want to assure I watched the Ojwang on TV crying. Any parent will feel the same pain when you have lost your son. I want to assure him and members of the public that IPOA will do everything possible to ensure that justice is served for the family.
Bende okinde kata riruoka